Car Hub.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Car Hub. Today we're going to be doing a short and simple tutorial on how to reset your oil light on your 4th gen Prius. So the 4th gen will be 2016 to 2022. So we're just going to make this quick and simple. Make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps me out and helps me be able to do these videos for you guys. Okay, so we're going to start it. Let me flip the camera around. First thing you want to do, you want to start it. Put your foot on the brake, start the car, and you're going to want to make sure, see it says maintenance required, visit your dealer. Okay, so we're going to make sure it's on trip A. Right now it's on trip B. So we got to go right here to trip, and we're going to click until we get to trip A. So right there, we're on trip A. So we got that. Now we want to go into the vehicle settings. So to get into your vehicle settings, you're going to click over on this right arrow. And as you can see up here, it'll bring you up, and you want to go all the way to the right to the settings tool. So once you get to that, you want to go all the way down to vehicle settings. And we're just using this dial the whole time. So you click on vehicle settings, maintenance system, so click OK, and then you want to go to oil maintenance and then reset. Reset's complete, and that's how you do it on a Gen 4 Prius. So as you can see, we shut it off, and we're going to turn it back on.
Power on. Bluetooth.
And the oil maintenance is gone. If you guys don't have a Gen 4, if you have a Gen 2 or a Gen 3, there's videos also on the channel on how to reset those lights. So thank you guys, and make sure to subscribe, and stay tuned. We do a bunch of Prius videos. We are located in Southwest Missouri, and if you aren't subscribed, make sure to subscribe.